Welcome back to the Beecommercer Daily Buzz. It is Friday, June 19th, 2026.
Today's theme is the platform becoming the operator. Shopify wants to act more like a built-in AI agency for merchants. Google is turning Ad Manager into a conversational assistant. Meta is trying to rebuild live shopping around ads, affiliates, product data, and AI. The common thread is simple. The dashboard is starting to make decisions, not just display them.
Let's start with the big story. Shopify is pushing deeper into merchant marketing with Campaign Autopilot, a tool designed to help merchants coordinate paid and organic campaigns across Meta, Shopify's Shop app, and email.
What matters here is not just one feature. Shopify is trying to compress the work that used to sit across a merchant, an agency, a media buyer, an email marketer, and a reporting tool. For smaller sellers, that could make performance marketing more accessible. For agencies and SaaS vendors, it raises the bar. The value can't just be, we set up the campaign.
Google is moving in a similar direction with Ask Ad Manager. It is a Gemini-powered conversational agent for Google Ad Manager that can help publishers troubleshoot line items, build custom reports, navigate settings, and use first-party data for recommendations.
That is the bigger shift. Dashboards are becoming agents. The old workflow was login, configure, monitor, fix, and report. The emerging workflow is ask, decide, execute, and learn. It does not remove operator judgment, but it changes where that judgment happens.
Now for the shift. Agentic commerce is becoming more concrete. Jumpfly's analysis of Google's Universal Commerce Protocol makes a strong point. Product feed quality is becoming a strategic asset, not a setup task.
Exactly. If ads, listings, AI answers, product comparisons, cart actions, and checkout become more connected, then messy product data can limit discovery before a shopper ever reaches your site. Titles, descriptions, pricing, availability, shipping, returns, images, and brand signals all become machine-readable sales infrastructure.
Let's move into 3 things we're tracking in social commerce, app growth, and AI search.
Number 1, Meta is resetting live shopping. eMarketer reports that Meta is rolling out live video ads on Instagram and expanding the format globally on Facebook. Viewers can see products and prices without leaving the video. Social Samosa also notes that Meta is expanding commerce partnerships and using more product data inside sales campaigns.
The timing is important. Livestream e-commerce in the United States is expected to approach $20 billion in 2026, but buyer growth is slowing. Meta is trying to extract more commerce value from existing social shoppers before TikTok Shop and Whatnot define the category.
Number 2, TikTok wants more app growth to happen natively inside its own ecosystem. The company introduced mini dramas, mini games, Growth Max for minis, CDance 2.0 in Symphony, reference to video, the TikTok Ads MCP server, and TikTok Ads skills. That is a lot of tooling, but the strategic idea is straightforward. TikTok wants developers and marketers to build, promote, optimize, and monetize experiences without leaving the TikTok operating environment. Number 3, generative engine optimization is becoming an operating stack. Adobe launched Brand Visibility, which combines market intelligence from SEMrush with Adobe execution and attribution. The platform looks at real AI search prompts, agentic traffic, LLM referrals, and query fan-out patterns. The practical takeaway is that GEO is moving beyond the question, are we mentioned? The better question is, which signals shaped the answer? What can we improve? And did it produce business impact? Off the clock today, the World Cup SEO playbook is changing too. Digiday reports that publishers are adapting coverage for an era of AI answers and zero-click search. Scores, schedules, and utility content still matter, but video, social distribution, newsletters, apps, and owned audiences are becoming more central. That lesson applies to e-commerce as well. AI search does not eliminate the basics. It turns clean product data, useful content, social proof, video, community signals, and owned audiences into a broader evidence system. So the headline today is not just Shopify, Meta, or Google. It is that e-commerce operations are being rebuilt around agents, feeds, content signals, and closed-loop commerce. That is all for today's Beecommercer Daily Buzz. See you next time.